point. I can slightly decrease it. Now okay. Check that one. After where visible. Start now. Up to where visible? The beam is fully not visible, partially invisible. I'll make it visible, don't worry. I'll edit the sketch once again. I'll once again put the sketch. Question already given last time. No problem. Voice clear? Just tell me, is voice clear? If voice clear, I will start. Voice is clear? Clear, okay. Now, see the question is here already. Partially not visible because otherwise I lose that side. Okay, no problem. Anyway, make a note. Last time this question, see, you make a note first. We considered free end origin. See, we considered free end origin, took a section here. So to pass to UDL, you extended the UDL. And then you wrote bending moment here, looking this side, not this sketch, previous sketch, looking this side. So at that time, since you are considering free end side, support reactions are not required. So we already solved the question without finding support reaction. Write all these. Okay, now write. Now, write alternate solution. After this one, I will give plenty of homework for you. Alternate solution. See, what all I told just now you should write. That what? Last time we took B origin, took a section between A and C, X from B. When you look that side, reactions are not required. We did not calculate. Directly we started. But now, alternate solution. Let us consider left extreme end A as origin. That is, A is actually fixed end. That is A origin. See, now, therefore, see here, Therefore, this time we have to find or not. Tell me. See, you take a section here now, looking that side. Therefore, if you look that side, fixed end side. Now, tell me, you require reactions or not? First, we require reaction. We have to find reactions or not. Last time you are not bothered. This time, reactions are to be calculated or not. Fast comment. Yes, we have to find reactions. Therefore, this time you write. I will dictate. We have to find support reactions. You write here, not waves. Okay. Therefore, do one thing. Put the beam once again. Okay. Write the beam once again. Okay. Write all the data. See, there is a point load here of, because that is not fully visible. That's why I am writing 60 kilonewton here and a point load of 12 kilonewton here, and after a gap there is a UDL of 6 kilonewton per meter, and then one more point load here of 30 kilonewton. Space problem. Okay. 30 kilonewton. Total length is 8 meter. That UDL length is 5 meter. And this is 1.5 meter. And it is told that point load is at 3 meter from right end. This is A, this is B. This time we are taking A origin, taking section here. Therefore, this time you need reactions. So first mark the reactions. First of all, should not. Those who are serious, right? Reactions are required. Fixed end, it can offer vertical reaction, say VA. Then all this load about this point will create a clockwise moment. So to balance the clockwise, you need anti-clockwise. This has been told endless number of times earlier. Say MA. Okay, over. Now, find support reaction. I write here. See, space is there. I will use this space now. Anyway, this sketch is not required, so I can use this space. First of all, I should walk out now. I should tell you find. Still, take moment about A. Sigma m about A0, take clockwise positive. Told 1,000 times. Sigma m is equilibrium, direction based. You have to look both sides. If you put finger here, you have to look that side and also this side. Okay, start. Plus, clockwise positive. It is not bending moment. Plus 12 into 8. Plus, one more point load, 30 kN is there. See, 30 into, this is 8, this is 3. 30 into 5 plus 60 into 1.5. Then plus 6 kilonewton per meter for 5 meter into, see, when this is 5 meter, you can make out this gap is 3 meter. So from here, calculated 3 plus 5 by 2. 3 plus 5 by 2, not over, all moments over. Then anti-clockwise, minus your unknown moment MA. Unknown moment MA equal to 0. Therefore, tell the value of MA fast. Tell MA in kilonewton meter with sign. Fast answer. Tell MA in kilonewton meter with sign. See, here minus is there. This also plenty of times told. First of all, I am actually wasting time explaining support reaction. SFD, BMD chapter, it is so much explained. First of all, I should not tell anything. MA. How much? MA. Correctly tell me with sign. I told you this answer sign and this sign convention has no relation. Whatever you take here, this is also again waste of time. You are not giving answer, unnecessary delaying. Tell MA. See, if you don't give the answer, we can't do anything. MA. How much time to get these values? How much time you require? Any chance today or enough for today? Shall we continue tomorrow? Tomorrow give MA value. Day after tomorrow give VA value. Next Tuesday you select origin. Wednesday section XX. Thursday 2 times once integration. Friday second integration. Next month start constant of integration then. See, this much time I am asking. I will close the class. If this is the response, I will close the class. That's all. You should tell with sign. I told you always, when equilibrium equation is there, I always want the answer with sign. Unsigned is positive, I know it. Okay, it is plus 501 kilonewton meter. Then sigma V0 take upward positive. See, why you find reactions, all explained. Next question onwards, I will give problem with the answer. Plus VA, minus 60, minus 30, minus 12, minus 6 into 5 equal to 0. Therefore, tell VA value. VA also plus will come. Tell VA value in kilonewton. Okay, VA. You should tell always with sign in my class. Not that I don't understand. VA is plus 132 kilonewton. Okay. Now, start solution. All I will remove. Now remember, fresh start here. Taking left extreme and A as origin, that is fixed end. Origin, consider section XX between the last two standard point on the other side, XX, at X from A. And enter the reactions, whatever you got. I told you, these positive value indicate that what direction you assumed is correct. Okay. Therefore, enter same way. Enter all the loading. See, from A, X will go this way. Cumulatively write 1.5, 3, 5, 8. From here you have to write. Okay, now, class, one note I am telling right here. You should write it. Once you took A origin, section between E and B, last 2 points, it is required that section has to pass through UDL. Fortunately, it is passing through UDL. Therefore, that correction or adjustment we made last time is not required this time because your section is passing through UDL. Therefore, no problem. Well, you write that note. Good. Okay, start. Now write expression for BM here. Look this side. Now bending moment. Now you should write in correct order. See here, you write any order. Nobody bothers about order here. Here not that way. As you come there, which one comes first? That one. Minus 501. No into. And if a couple is there, I told bracket required. But that bracket is required only if the couple is somewhere in between. Then X minus something power 0 you have to write. But end couple, no problem. Okay. Minus 501 plus 132 into X minus 60 into X minus 1.5 minus UDL. 6 into, this is X, this is 3 means you should write outside. 6 into X minus 3 is the load into X minus 3 by 2. That's how I got X minus 3 whole square by 2. By 2 is not power by 2, whole square. Otherwise, divide by 2. Okay. Then minus 30 into X minus 5 equal to EI d square y by dx square. Note later, EI value I told you last time. Then integrate EI dy by dx equal to theta. Remember, our origin is left side. I forgot. Our origin is left side. Therefore, this time theta is anti-clockwise positive. Why? You write. There is a limit for explaining. Left origin means theta, anti-clockwise positive. C1 integrate. Then one more integration. C1x plus C2 integrate. No point in wasting time. Okay. Now start getting the constants C1, C2. This all I can remove now. I think none of them required now. This everything is not required. I can remove all this now. Okay. See, first, to get constant of integration, put the elastic curve. Actually here, y is maximum, theta is maximum. Remember, actually not required because it is not a boundary condition. Y max and this will be your theta max. Or anyway, useful later. Y max will be y at B, theta max will be theta at B. This you already know. But this is not boundary condition. Boundary means 0 required. So at A fixed end, last time also 0 here only. But this time origin here. Therefore, theta equal to 0. Last time see, when B was origin, you wrote theta equal to 0 for x equal to 8 and y equal to 0 for x equal to 8. Now, theta means what? Remember, theta means dy by dx. Both are same. Theta means dy by dx. Okay. Therefore, theta equal to 0 for x equal to 0. 0, C1, 0, 0. Stop. Don't continue. Why? Negative. C1 will come 0. Then, y at A equal to 0. Once again, y becomes 0 for x equal to 0. 0, x is 0, C2, 0, 0. Stop. C1, C2, both are 0. Therefore, this question we got C1 equal to C2, both came 0. Clear now? This is the advantage of fixed end origin. Disadvantage, what? Reactions required. And to get maximum deflection, when free end is origin, put x equal to 0, this time no. This much clear? Fast. This much clear? This much clear means question over now. I will close the question. This much clear correctly? If this much is clear, then there is nothing there. See, over. Start. Now, one by one calculate. Start. First, what they want? Theta max and y max required. Y max required. Start. You can write this sketch once again. Already told earlier. Or you can write one more sketch now. Right. Theta max for a cantilever will be theta at free end. That is here theta at B. Now, to get theta B, substitute x equal to full 8 meter. 8 meter. Start. EI theta B in anti-clockwise equal to start. C1 0 minus 501 into 8 plus 132 into 8 square by 2 minus 60 into 8 minus 1.5 is plus 6.5 square by 2 minus 6 into 8 minus 3 is 5 plus 5 cube by 6 minus 30 into 8 minus 5 is plus 3 square by 2. Take your calculator and tell me what is the answer. Fast. Take your calculator, tell me what is the answer. Fast. Don't waste time. As early as possible. Tell the answer. Then I will stop the question. You can continue yourself only. Remaining points, I will tell the x value. Like last time, you can do yourself. Minus 1311.5. How divide by EI? How divide by EI? Okay. Minus 1311.5 by EI. Now, EI gets cancelled. Correct? EI gets cancelled. Tell yes or no. EI gets cancelled. Correct? Correct or not? That is, slope is independent of cross-sectional properties. EI gets cancelled. So, see here, no. 1311.5 divided by EI. Okay, EI. Therefore, your theta B equal to 1311.5 by EI, again EI is there, divided by EI square, that much radian in what? Anti-clockwise positive, negative came, that much clockwise, that is theta max. Correct? So theta max equal to 1311.5 divided by EI square. Correct or not? No. 1311.5 divided by EI square. You are not an answer. Divide by EI square. Correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Divide by EI square. This is the first time in my life I got slope or deflection in terms of E. How? When you got EI here, this EI will come denominator. It will become EI square. How EI? See, this is EI. This EI will come denominator. How? Why no? It will become EI square. It will become EI square. Why no? See, this is numerator. When I take that side, already EI is there. One more EI, it will become EI square. What is the mistake? But I don't think EI square will come. If I remember correctly, past experience, it comes only in terms of EI. RHS is minus 1311.5 only. Oh, no EI. Then why somebody told by EI? He is going advance. See, I know it. Don't worry. Divided by EI. He is going advance. You should not go advance to me. Remember, when I asked you how much is this number, you should tell only minus 1311.5. That's all. EI, I will take that side. Okay, done. Leave it. Just for fun I told. Okay, then. So this is theta maximum. And now R equal to 1311.5 by 50,000 radian, convert to degrees. You already know last time, so don't waste time. You complete it. You know it will come finally 1.5029 degrees. Already over last time. Okay, now next you require Y maximum. Okay, this I'll remove. This all not required. Next I'll go for Y maximum. Maximum deflection will be Y at free end. That is Y at B. Now, to get Y at B, substitute, which one? Substitute X equal to 8 meter in deflection equation. Start. EI Y at B in upward direction equal to how much? C1 into C1 is how much? 0. C2 also 0 minus 501 into 8 square by 2 plus 132 into 8 cube by 6 minus 60 into 8 minus 1.5 is plus 6.5 cube by 6 minus 6 into 8 minus 3 is 5 power 4 by 24 minus 30 into 8 minus 5 is plus 3 cube by 6. Take your calculator and tell me this number. No EI now. Tell the answer. Tell what is the value you are getting. Take your calculator. Tell what is the number. Fast. Over question. I will change the question now. I won't wait further time. Answer. That's all. Last answer required right now from you. Furthermore answer I don't want. Next time, furthermore, I won't ask you, because now onwards, answer I will give. Because why? Now onwards, answer I will give. You just understand procedure only. Nodi, ittotbeka. To substitute that one and to get the answer. Last time answer is known for you. Whether you take that origin or this origin, Answer cannot change. Minus 7805.5. Okay. Minus 7805.5. Therefore, deflection at B equal to 7805.5 by EI, that much meter down. That itself is Y maximum. You can write decoration now. Y max equal to maximum deflection is 7805.5 by EI, that much meter at the free end. Then you can do one thing. Substitute this EI 50,000. It first comes in meter, convert to millimeter. It will come 156.11 millimeter will come. Now tell me, is the result same as last time or different? First, is the result same as last time or different? I want only that much. Is the answer same as last time or different? What we got last time by taking free end origin, now you took fixed end origin. What happened? Is the result we got same as last time or different? Same as last time. Over. See. Now do one thing. You make a note to find slope and deflection at C, theta C and YC. Substitute x equal to 1.5 meter. You substitute, then this term will not come. Stop here. You already know the answer last time. Compare and check. Over. Now, at D, to find slope and deflection at D, for theta D and YD, substitute x equal to 3 meter. Now, this will be there, but this will become 0. Okay. Answer you know last time, compare it. Lastly, for finding slope and deflection at E, theta E and YE, substitute x equal to 5 meter. When you substitute 5 meter, this term is there, this term is there, this will become 0. Answer is last time. Can you complete and check the answer? Tell first. No point in wasting time in the class. Why? This is in the beginning I told everything for you. Can you substitute and check the answer? If yes means, I will go to new question. If you can simplify and substitute and check the answer, yes, done. Those who are serious, they will do it. Okay, now, correctly see now, with this one, I will now give one extra question for you, work out. Tricks all I will tell next class. Now, see, now onwards, I will do one thing now. I won't waste time. Everything is for you. I will start the question and stop. Then you get the answers. Okay. See, now, next question. What I will do is, second question. See, second question. I will give words. A cantilever beam fixed at left end is of length 5 meter. It is loaded by an UDL of 48 kilonewton per meter for a length of 3 meter from fixed end. So this gap will become 2 meter, remember. And a point load of 180 kilonewton at the free end. Point load of 180 kilonewton at the free end. That's all. Sufficient. Don't waste time. Find theta max and Y max. This also find theta and Y at the right end of UDL. Right end of UDL. That is here. I will call the point as C if you want. That is at C. You independently solve. I will tell you one by one. First, see, you take B origin. Take B origin. Then I will put a sketch done. Sketch I will write here. When you take B origin, see, this is the beam. Load of 180 kilonewton. UDL is 48 kilonewton per meter. This is A, this is B. Take a section between C and A at X from there. Over. Now make a note. Therefore, these reactions are not required. Don't waste time finding reaction. And origin is here, X will go this way. Okay, now it is required that section has to pass through UDL, luckily passing. See, last time UDL right side, now free hand side. Now UDL fixed hand side. Okay, now start. Bending moment at XX. Mx equal to, look that side, minus 180 into X minus 48 into X. See, this is 2 meter, this is 5 meter. X minus 2 whole square by 2 will come equate to EID square y by dx square. Integrate. And boundary conditions. Slope and deflection 0 here. X equal to 5, slope equal to 0, X equal to 5, deflection 0, get C1, C2. Then to get slope and deflection maximum at B, put X equal to 0. To get slope and deflection at C, put X equal to 2 meter. So I will give answer. Answer. Theta max will be theta B and Y max will be Y at B. Also you need theta C and YC. Theta max is 2466 by EI radians. It will come clockwise. Y max will be 8418 by EI meter down. This is the answer. Now, theta C, YC, you only get. Why should I bother? You only get by putting X equal to 2 meter. For this one, for these two, you put X equal to 0. For this one, put X equal to 2 meter. Okay, now, go for alternate solution. Immediate, today only. Alternate solution. Take fixed end A origin. Fixed end A as origin. Right. Therefore, now reactions are required. Happily find the reactions. You find reactions. Then write one more sketch. See, now the sketch will change. Why? UDL here and point load here. How much UDL? 48 kilonewton per meter here. Point load is 180 kilonewton. This vertical reaction at A will come 324 kilonewton. This reacting moment MA will come 1116 kilonewton meter. If answer is not telling, correct and tell me. Okay, now A is the origin now. Same question you are solving with A origin. When I want red, blue is coming. If I want blue, red will come. Now, this is A. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now our A is the origin, X this way. Section should be here. Oh, problem. Why problem? Tell me why problem? Problem because it is not passing to UDL. Therefore, extend the UDL up to here and introduce upward UDL here. Then your MX will become, I want to use red color now, minus 1116 plus 324 into X minus 48 into X square by 2 plus 48 into x minus 3. Now marking is what? See, this is 3, this is 5 marking. Whole square by 2. Integrate 2 times, put boundary condition, slope and deflection 0 here. Now x equal to 0, y theta equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, C1, C2 both will come 0 to get theta maximum and y maximum. Now for finding theta b and yb, that is nothing but the maximum values. Substitute x equal to 5 meter, whereas to find theta c and yc, substitute x equal to 3 meter. X equal to 3 meter. I will give the answer for you. Answer 2466 by EI, theta maximum. And y maximum 8418 by EI. Oh, see now, correctly tallying. Meter down. Okay. Can you complete this question? Tell me. It's a wasting time. Can you complete the question? This is a question where UDL has got gap on the what? Free end side. Last time question, UDL has gap on the fixed end side. Can this question, you can complete? Yes. Okay. Then, no waste of time. Go to next question. Next question. I will do one thing. Next question also, I will give both solution. Now, direct question with the answer. See. Once upon a time, long back, in the 18th century, there was a cantilever beam of length only 4 meter. 4 meter. It is loaded by UDL over entire length, and there is a clockwise couple here and an anti-clockwise couple here. Okay, 2 couples. Clockwise couple of 30 kilonewton meter and anti-clockwise couple of 60 kilonewton meter. Along with the UDL of full span UDL of say 18 kilonewton per meter. This point is exactly center 2 meter. 2 meter beda. Same birth. Okay, cantilever length is 5 meter. To change the question, 5 meter. This internal point is at 3 meter. A, B, C. A, B, this is C. Here, find what? They want to find 1. No, why waste time? Slope and deflection at B and C. That's all. At B and C, you have to find no maximum, nothing. You find theta B and yb, theta C, yc. Okay, start. Solution 1. See, this time remember, whether you take left origin or right origin, the section passing to UDL is no problem. Tell why? Because full length UDL. So that the extending problem, whichever origin you take, UDL will not give you trouble. Tell yes or no. Whichever origin you take, UDL will not give trouble. Tell yes or no. UDL will not give trouble. There is no need of what? Extending, etc. It cuts the UDL. But some importance is there. Some importance is there. See, start. Solution 1. Solution 1. Take free end origin. Free end origin. Free end means B origin. Okay, that is B. And therefore, section should be here. Look that side, right here. Reactions are not required. Directly go to what? Sketch. Remember, but even then, mark the reaction. It is not required. See, now I told something for you. What? UDL of 18 kN per meter. I told you repeatedly, this sketch you are using for bending moment calculation. If the end couple given, write in closing bracket format. Remember or not? If end couple given, write in closing bracket format. If intermediate couple given, I told write like this. Clockwise means like this. Remember it? do not write like this. Confusion will come. If the end couple, you enter this way. Intermediate couple, enter like this. Remember or not? Make a note. Any newcomer, you should go to SFDBMD chapter. Yes. Now, your section is, see, this is the point C, B. Section, this how much couple? This is 60 kilonewton meter. Your section is here at X from there. Now, X from there, cumulatively if you write, here to here will be how much? 3 meter. Here to here will be 5 meter. Okay, now, bending moment at XX, that is mx, sagging positive equal to start minus 30, no into minus 18 into x by 2 will become 18 x square by 2. Then see now, plus y plus, I told you, this couple, when you look this side, it will give positive. But same couple, when you look that side, it will give negative. Told so crystal clear in SFDBMD. A class is there, maybe class number, I don't know. In the SFDBMD course, exclusively meant for deciding sign for bending moment. Plus 60, that's all. But you cannot write 60. If any couple comes in between, we want a bracket. So 60 into x minus 3. But actually, you should not multiply. So x minus 3, tell me, power 0. Equate to EI d square y by dx square. Okay. Now, happily solve, get C1, C2 and find what is theta b, what is yb, and also find what is theta c, what is yc. I'll give answer. Answer I will give. Why? Because you should know you have done correct or not. Theta b will be 405 by EI radian clockwise. Deflection at B. One 1.25 by EI meter down is 1. Theta c yc, you check it by substituting x equal to 3 meter. For this one, x equal to 0. Correctly solve. Now, immediately solve the question once again. Just to get control. Solve once again. Right. Solution 2. Solution 2. Consider fixed and A origin. Fixed and A as origin. Therefore, make a note. We will take section here, x from A. Therefore, reactions are required. Therefore, before you start the question, first find reactions. You should find the reactions. Don't expect me here to explain reactions. Okay. Find reactions. Your vertical reaction will come. This will come. This is A. I will tell you what reaction will come. I will enter the reaction. 18 90. Vertical reaction will come 90 kilonewton. Reacting moment will come 195 kilonewton meter. Okay, then put the UDL here and mark this couple this way. This couple mark anti-clockwise, mark like this. How much it is? 60 kilonewton meter. Now, Consider section XX at X from A. Where is my red color pen? I just now having red color. See now. Now, your A is the origin. Take a section here. I forgot to enter the UDL. You enter X from here. Now, X will go this way. From A to this point is 2 meter. A to full span is 5 meter. Now, your bending moment mx will be, look this side, minus 195 plus 90 into x minus 18 into x square by 2. Correctly get it. Then remember, last time it was plus, but this time, see, minus 60 into x minus, last time it was x minus 3, now it is x minus 2 to the power 0. Now, integrate 2 times, now boundary condition is x equal to 0, theta equal to 0, you get C1 equal to 0, x equal to 0, deflection equal to 0, you get C2 equal to 0, to get slope and deflection at C, to get slope at B and deflection at B, now substitute x equal to 5 meter. To get slope and deflection at C, now substitute x equal to 2 meter. I will substitute now for you. Slope at B will come 405 by EI. Deflection will come 1301. Oh, same answer. See there by EI. This whatever you got here, check here and close the question. First, if fully clear, I will go to the last question where I will take right side fixed. One example required. Last question where I will take today right side fixed. If it is okay, tell me. If you can solve only one question, don't waste time. If you can solve all this, yes, ball catching. That is a crude method, ball catching. Ball catching is a crude method, but effective method. Someone will start wondering in the comment, what is ball catching? I will tell, go and study my SFD BMD class. Study and come. Don't directly come here and tell I want everything to understand. You learn systematically, you will learn from me. Okay, now, over. Last question. Remember now, what I am going to do now is, I will tell you what I am going to do. See, these classes are for BSK batch. For them, I will not take the class. See, I will send in a paper to your group, cantilever beam, a point load W at free end. That's all. Take a section XX, X from here, BM, W into X, over. Solve. You will get theta max equal to WL square by 2EI, deflection maximum equal to WL cube by 3EI. Not in YouTube. Then, same thing if it is UDL. Take a section X here. Look this side. Your BM will be minus WX into X by 2. Your slope maximum will come WL cube by 6EI. Your deflection maximum will come WL power 4 by 8EI. I will apply a couple here, M. Your theta will come maximum ML by EI. Y max will come ML square by 2EI. These all bookworks I will give in a paper for you. Immediately you can solve. Why? You can solve or not now? Bookworks. Because you should learn. And then suppose uniformly varying load is there. Take a section here. This ordinate W by L into X, WX by L, bending moment, half into X into WX by L into 1/3 of X. I don't remember the answer because I know my own trick to getting it now. These all I will give for you in a paper and send in the group. Can you work out? Others will not get it. Okay, you will solve. Then, tomorrow's class is specially meant for what? Tell me. Tomorrow's class is specially meant for Anybody can tell reason? Meant for shortcut for cantilever. For cantilever. Remember, this is very, very important for competitive examinations. But one more thing, these formulas we will use. See, point load is here. If the load is here, what to do? I will tell. If the UDL is only partial, what to do? Or if couple is here, what to do? These all I will tell tomorrow. Everything shortcut. Very fast you understand. So, but remember, tomorrow's class, when I give shortcut, these formula for general public will be formula given by me. No proof. Whereas for those who are in the BSK batch, you prove it. Clear? Because why? In a paper, I will write all these and most only send today only possible. Shall I send today only? Today only after the class. I got class of 10:30, maybe around 11:30. Shall I send today only all the bookwork starting point? Then you can solve and get the answer tomorrow. So for those who are in the BSK batch, it is not formula, it is derived expression. Okay. General public, it is formula. Over. So this is, and tomorrow's class is very powerful class. Powerful for competitive examination, because remember, in all competitive examination, usually they ask question from where, tell me? From simply support beam or cantilever? Tell me. Those who wrote the paper so far. Usually in competitive examination, the questions they ask is from where? Usually either GATE or engineering service or PWD exam, water supply exam, PGCET, wherever you see, usually they ask questions from where? Which one? Not simply supported. From where they ask? Simply support they can ask, but they are not asking, because simply support beam and overhang. Overhang problem is solved earlier. There also one trick is there. Even for overhang also trick is there. That trick I will tell you after next class. Tomorrow class only for cantilever. So now, this closing part of cantilever, I will do one question now where I will take, see, cantilever means what comes to mind? Usually it comes left side fixed, right side free. But careful, if it is not given in the question, you can solve like this. But sometimes deliberately, questions are given other way. Okay, now see the question. Once upon a time, around 12 years and 6 months ago, there was a cantilever beam which is fixed at the left end, fixed at the right end and free at the left end. Length of beam is 6 meters. Okay. Now, this beam is loaded by UDL. Once again, I will not give full UDL. Full UDL, I will give homework for you now after the class. I won't give full UDL. Partial UDL, where anywhere. Okay. I will give UDL here. UDL here of little more. UDL of 30 kilonewton per meter for a length of 4 meters from the right fixed end, and a point load of, this is 30 aitu, 150 kilonewton at the left extreme end. Find theta max and y max. Those who want can find theta and y here also. I will take the point as C. Okay, this is a question. Okay, then once this question is over, one homework question for you. See, same cantilever, fixed here, full UDL, say equal to anything, 8 kN per meter. Beam length is 3 meters. With one anti-clockwise couple here of 60 kilonewton meter. 60 beda, already 60 kottaitanu. 100 kilonewton meter. Here, find theta and y at free end. I will give the answer now only. Answer will be, right now I will give the answer. theta will be 336 by EI, Y max will be 531 by EI. Okay. This question you take homework. Now come to this question. Tell me. I will tell first now itself. You have two options. You can take A origin or B origin. Tell me. If A is the origin, section will come here. Look this side. Do you need reaction? Tell the answer first. Just comment. This all you are right. This you take homework. If I take A origin, section should be here. X from here. It will. Then do you require reactions? No time now. Tell me, do you require reactions? No. Mixed up explanation, no time. Reactions are not required. Directly start. Okay. Then, if I take A origin, slope and deflection 0 where? At B. Theta 0, Y 0 for X equal to 6 meter. Remember, over. Then, I will solve with B origin. If I take B origin, section will be here. Here. Then, look that side. Tell me, reactions are required or not required? These all you are right. If I take B origin, section is here, look this side. Reactions are required or not required? Reactions are required or not required? If I take B origin, section here, reactions are required or not required? First, no. Required. Find reaction. How? A vertical reaction here, VB, and a reacting moment here, MB. Find it then. Then, one more thing. If I take B origin, take a section here, it is not passing to UDL. Therefore, this UDL, you have to extend up to here and introduce upward UDL. Tell me, both are clear completely means I will give the question now. If everything what I told, if it is clear, I will give solution and leave it for you then. Whatever I tell now, if you can make a note and after the class make a note. Yes. No. If everything is clear, tell me, I will proceed further for next part. Simply support with overhang, we have done the problem. You are absent, I think, most probably. Somebody commented there. Simply support with overhang, we are done in the class. You forgot. I told there, once I solved with overhang, then I told shortcut by cutting the overhang. I told it earlier. Usually UVL will not come for the beam. It comes when the slab transfers UVL type of load. Clear? Okay. Start. Now, I will not tell anything now. I will go for solution 1. That is A origin. A origin. That's all. See, I will put the sketch here and write MX equation and stop. Point load here of 150 kilonewton. UDL here of 30 kilonewton per meter. Reactions, remember, reactions are not required. Don't waste time. These reactions are not required. A here, A is the origin. Your X will go this way and section will come somewhere here. This is the point A, this is B, this is C, this is X, this is XX. X. Then from here to here is 2 meter. From here to here is 6 meter. Your bending moment MX will be, look this side, minus 150 into X, again minus 30 into X minus 2, into x minus 2 by 2 whole square by 2 equate. And remember, your boundary condition is theta be 0 and y be 0. Theta becomes 0 for x equal to 6, y becomes 0 for x equal to 6, and solve the question. Okay, now solution 2 for the same question. Take B, fixed end origin. Fixed end origin. Therefore, reactions required. Therefore, find the reactions and enter. See, I enter here now. Answer. This reaction will come how much? This couple will come how much? This VB will come, this MB will come. VB will come 270 kilonewton, correct? 150 plus 30 into 4. Yes, moment will come into 6. 1140 kilonewton meter. And then this is the point load here of 150 kilonewton. This is the UDL here of 30 kilonewton per meter. Now your origin is B. B is the origin. X will go this way. Oh, this is the point A. This is the point C. Now section should be here. Oh, there is a problem. Section is not passing to UDL. Therefore, extend the UDL and put upward UDL. Okay, now write mx equal to minus 1140, no into, plus 270 into x minus 30 into x square by 2, then plus x square by 2 plus 30 into x minus, you are right here. This is 4, this is 6, you are right. X minus 4 whole square by 2. Now your boundary is now also theta be 0, y be 0. But now theta 0 for x equal to 0, y 0 for x equal to 0. Find here, by this solution, find theta A and find ya. Also find theta C and yc here. Theta A, ya here, put x equal to 0. Theta C, yc here, put x equal to 2 meter. Here, find theta A and ya by putting x equal to 6 meter. And theta C and yc by putting x equal to 4 meter. What you get here, what you get here, what you get here, what you get here should tally. Now tell me, you can try yourself only. Can you correctly try and get the answer? See, record in a single class, this much questions we never solved. Why? After solving the last time question, pending one, what happened? I gave all homework. You can try all this now. If you can try all this, I will give answer. So that only one answer I will give you. I will give theta and y at free end. If that is correct, everything will come correct. Shall I give answer? Shall I give answer for theta C and yc? Yes. Your theta C for both solution, okay, I will put here only. Okay. Your theta max and y max will come. I will write here. (3020) by EI and y max will come 12400 by EI. This is in radian, this is in meter. Answer. See, I gave answer for theta A by A and also theta A by A. C answer you check by respective solutions. Solve this one. Full clear? Tell fast. Full clear or not? If it is full clear, I can do one thing. Why send paper? Shall I give that bookworks now only? Little time is there. It won't take much time. Fast I can tell. Shall I give that bookworks all now only? So that you can try. Why after the class, when I finish FEM class, feel too tired? Okay, I'll give now only. Okay. Now see. 3 bookworks, 3 or 4 bookworks are there. I'll tell the bookworks now for you. All the bookwork take free end origin. So reactions not required. See. Bookwork number 1. These all result I'll give tomorrow. Bookwork number 1. Cantilever of span L loaded by point load W at free end. Bookwork number 2. Cantilever of span L subjected to UDL over entire length. W per unit length. Bookwork number 3. Cantilever of length L subjected to uniformly varying load 0 at the free end and maximum at the fixed end. W per unit length. Okay, now bookwork number 4. Cantilever of length L subjected to a couple M at the free end. Okay. First, you write all these questions. Now to save the time, what I will do is, first you copy all these. Okay, then second round. Everywhere take free end origin. You need this ordinate. This will be W by L into X per unit length. Over. Now, Mx here minus W into X. Mx here minus W into X by 2 or minus Wx square by 2. Mx here minus half into X into Wx by L is the total load into 1/3 of X. Or it will give you minus, this is X square by 2, X cube by 6L will come. Mx here, somebody on the road will tell minus M over. Now, integrate 2 times, X equal to L, theta equal to 0, X equal to L, Y equal to 0, get C1, C2. Then all the questions, slope at free end and deflection at free end. Slope and free end for this question is WL square by 2EI. Deflection WL cube by 3EI. Slope WL cube by 6EI. Deflection WL power 4 by 8EI. This I don't know. Slope ML by EI. Slope deflection ML square by 2EI. This I have to derive. You never bother how I am deriving it. See, how I derive it, you do not worry. I got so many methods. To derive that one, I got so many methods. 1 by 4 into 1 by 6. WL cube by 24 EI. Deflection WL power 4 by it will 1 by 24 into 4 by 5. WL power 4 by 30 EI. I applied the trick. You solve systematically. You don't try this one. Now, these are the standard pattern of the bookworks for cantilever. These all I will tell tomorrow. How to remember also I will tell you. There's a trick to remember this one. And I will give one extra link for remembering this one. See, that's why I will write very important for competitive examination. So, I will tell you, by tomorrow, you get all this answer. You do by double integration, Macaulay's method and get the answer. Tomorrow you should tell, or today by comment box you should tell in the group, Yes, all answer came. Now, tomorrow I will tell you how to remember, or some tricks are there for this one, and also trick is there for how to find if the load is somewhere else. Everything tomorrow I will tell. Clear? Okay. Now still 10 minutes more. I will take rest because I got a class now. Okay. Little earlier over. I can't start the tricks now. Tomorrow will be exclusively for tricks. 10 minutes if I start something, I can't finish. Yes, everywhere I have not written. All deflections are down. Understood? All negative, no negative. All the deflections are down. See, in the formula, how much, see, natural beam will come down. So when you take upward positive, negative will come. Okay. Work out, and today only get all this answer. Tomorrow when I tell formula, you should tell, yes, we know how to derive it. Okay. See you tomorrow. Important class for objective question and also for tricks. Okay. Thank you. Today I will get little more rest because 9:15 I got a class. It's usually 9 to 9:15. Today I get 10 minutes extra time. Okay. Done.